So far, we have discussed two of the three signals used by defense to try to set declarer's contract. First, we covered attitude signals used when we lead a suit at trick 1 or when partner leads a new suit during the hand. We encourage partner if we want her to continue the suit, or discourage partner asking her to switch to a different suit. In Lesson 2, we covered count signals used when opponents, dummy or declarer, lead to a trick. We won't like the suit they are leading, so we tell partner how many cards we have in the suit, odd or even number, so that she can figure out how many cards declarer has in the suit. There is a third defense signal that we use when neither attitude nor count apply. Let's look at several situations when that might occur. Let's say partner leads an ace and dummy tables a singleton in that suit. Partner's ace will usually win the trick, but because dummy is now void, partner isn't interested in if we like or dislike the suit, nor is she interested in how many cards we hold in the suit, odd or even. When this occurs, our card tells partner which suit we want her to switch to. Let's set the stage. Spades are trump, partner leads the heart ace, dummy lays down a singleton. Partner usually doesn't want a trump return, and she doesn't want another heart, so there are two suits left, diamonds and clubs. If partner plays a high heart, a 7, an 8, or a 9 on our ace, she wants the higher ranking suit, diamonds. If she plays a low spot card, 2, 3, 4, on our ace, she wants the lower ranking suit, clubs. If she wants neither suit because she holds nothing in her hand, she tries to play a middle card, 5 or 6. Let's look at this example. We are West, partner opened 1 spade, and the opponent's bid to 4 hearts. We lead the spade king, top of the sequence, in partner's suit, and dummy lays down that singleton 8. Holding the ace, partner knows we have the trick won and needs to tell us which suit to switch to. Obviously here she wants a diamond. So on trick 1, we play a high spade. The 7 might work, but since we won't get any more spade winners, why not signal with the jack? That will definitely get her attention. Which diamond do you lead now? The jack, of course, top of the sequence. This allows East to read the diamond suit beautifully. The jack denies the queen, which East holds. If dummy plays low, does East have the presence of mind to also play low and let partner win the trick and then lead through diamonds again? We should get 3 diamonds and the spade king for down 1. Sometimes we can do this process in reverse. The opponents are in four hearts, and West leads the diamond ace from ace-king. Everyone at the table can see dummy will get the third diamond with her queen. But East will thwart this process by playing high-low, the 9, then the 4, signaling she has a doubleton and can get the third round ruff. West can lead the 10 or the 4 for the ruff, but also can use that card to tell partner what suit to return after the ruff. So let's run through our matrix. We don't want a trump back. She can lead a diamond back. That leaves two suits, spades and clubs. The 10 says return the spade suit. The 4 says return a club. So West leads the 10 and East ruffs. After the ruff, East should return her fourth best, spade 6, to West's ace. Should West return another diamond now for a possible second ruff? Let's count the spades and see. West started with 4, dummy started with 4. East played high-low, so she had only 2. That means Declarer had 3, and she just played her last one when East got the ruff. So Declarer is out of diamonds also. East will be able to ruff again, but Declarer will be able to over-ruff. Learning to think like this is good defense. Had East had a singleton diamond, then Declarer would have had 4, and yes, we would get a second ruff. There are more opportunities to use suit preference signals. Many not completely obvious, like the last two. So some thinking is required. We have to be on our toes. Opponents are in 4 spades. West leads the club ace from ace-king. Dummy lays down queen-jack doubleton. West will win her ace-king and East will follow both times. This is partner's last winner in the suit, so East gives a suit preference signal. She played the 2 on the first club, so the 3 will be suit preference for diamonds. If diamonds is what she wants, the 7 asks for a heart lead. Defense gets the club ace-king, diamond ace early, and eventually the heart king, since the ace has to be in Declarer's hand. Let's look at a few more examples. In 4 spades, East bid hearts, so West is leading partner's suit. If partner bid a suit, we don't need the ace-king to lead the ace. We lead the ace and dummy comes down with king 7. Of course, dummy will play low and promote the king, so the ace will be our last winner we get in this suit. That means East's card on trick 1 can be suit preference. Hearts are ruled out, and spades, the trump suit, are ruled out. So the 4 can be suit preference for clubs. Queen, Jack 10, or 9 can be suit preference for diamonds. Another example, opponents are in 4 spades. East bid hearts, West will lead the ace, and seeing king, queen, 3rd come down in dummy. East will realize this is the last winner we get in the suit, so her card on this trick is suit preference. rule out hearts and spades, the trump suit, so the heart 4 will be suit preference for clubs. Any of the higher cards will be suit preference for diamonds. Plenty more opportunities to use suit preference exist, but they require a lot more thinking. This time, let's go over the bidding. South opens 1 spade, North 2 clubs, South jumps to 3 clubs, North bids the game. West leads the club 10, Dummy's first suit bid. Then Dummy tables this monster club suit. East, put on your thinking cap now. What is the only reason partner will lead a suit that the opponents bid? It has to be a singleton. She is hoping you have the ace, which you do. East wins the ace. Her return club is suit preference for what she wants after partner gets the ruff. East wants a heart, and the club 8 shows that. West gets her ruff, East gets the heart ace and queen for down 1. Same contract, same bidding. This time, West leads the club ace. Again, a suit the opponents bid. It doesn't take much thinking to figure out it has to be a singleton. So East's first club is suit preference for what she wants next. Again, we want a heart. The club 10 on trick 1 will tell partner that. Partner leads a heart. I suggest 4th best, the 4. East traps Dummy's king, getting 2 heart winners, then returns another club for West to ruff and down 1. There are lots more suit preference examples discussed in William Root's book, How to Defend a Bridge Hand. 30 examples in all. This class is Introduction to Defense Signaling. Maybe in the future we can do an intermediate level defense course where we can discuss these more sophisticated techniques. If curiosity is killing you, buy the book now. Suit preference signals don't occur as often as attitude and count signals. In fact, 1 time out of every 10 or 15 hands might be about right, but they are still important and they are often the key to setting the opponent's contract. So let's review. Today we saw the most common examples of when a suit preference signal applies. First, when we see a singleton in dummy, partner's card is always suit preference. When we have ace-king and partner's high-low in a suit contract asks for a ruff, the 3rd card we lead tells partner what to lead back after the ruff. Anytime we have no more winners coming from this suit, that could occur on first trick or second trick. And finally, anytime it looks like partner is leading a singleton.